Well, there's always a question about should I hire the hometown lawyer or should I look beyond the hometown confines? And quite frankly, our recommendation would be that you look to find the best lawyer that you can find no matter what the location is. My firm has offices in multiple states and the District of Columbia. Our firm is national. We represent folks all over the country, and we don't just represent clients in locations or states where we have offices, because our practice is nationwide. How do we do that? And why should you think about even considering hire somebody that's not the hometown lawyer? Well, the answer is you're back to looking for the lawyer with expertise, with the knowledge, with the experience, with the track record, with the ability to identify whether you have a case or not, and then to maximize that value for you and to give you advice that you feel comfortable relying on. And sometimes that's not the hometown lawyer. But one thing you should be mindful of, when we represent clients all over the country, in every one of those cases, we associate with our firm a local, very competent counsel, because it's a team approach that we use. So I do agree that there should be a local component to all of your representation, but that shouldn't be the only component. In my view, it should be a component who do you think is going to do the best job in representing you. The ability of my firm and other firms to represent clients in states other than where they have offices or where they admitted to practice is on what's called a pro hoc vice basis. The court looks at our application to be admitted for purpose of handling that case, and if the court is confident that we have the training, the expertise, the knowledge to represent that client, they will give that client the opportunity to be represented by us in that state. But again, it would be in conjunction with local counsel as well. If you go to a lawyer who has tremendous experience in this work, has tremendous expertise, has been doing it for a long time, is able to recognize the errors that are committed by physicians, the kind of harm that they do, they have the wherewithal to recognize those issues, to confer with very competent physicians who recognize that doctors do make mistakes and that they shouldn't be immunized from those mistakes, and that patients are entitled to be compensated when the circumstances warrant it. So that's a major challenge, but one that the right lawyer should be able to help you overcome.